Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Before the break, we were doing question number 2. Khatija, what is the plural of million?
Malayin.
And milyar?
I don't know.
Milyarat.
Milyarat. Yeah.
What is the meaning of milyar?
Is that billion?
Yes, 1 billion.
Yeah.
What is million?
1 billion. Million.
It is
Yeah.
1 billion, and this is 1 billion.
Yeah. Is 1 billion a million, or 1,000 million?
The word million is 1 million,
Yeah.
and malayin is millions. It is a plural
Yeah.
one. Then milyar is 1 billion, and milyarat is billions. It is a plural word.
How many zeros for a billion?
Million, let me write it for you.
6 for a million, isn't it?
Unit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. So we can say
Okay.
1 0 0 0 0
1,000
0
million.
0 0 0. 1 billion
Yeah.
has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 zeros.
9 zeros. Okay.
Okay.
Jazakallah khair.
Wayakum. Madina.
Mudun.
Mulon. Next we have Andar's Khamis Warbaun. Okay. Khatija, did you prepare word by word meaning?
I can try.
Okay, you can try.
Inshallah.
If Khatija made a mistake, then you will correct Noor, okay?
Right. 61. Okay. And besides 2 gardens. And besides them, 2 gardens.
Both of them.
Both of them, 2 gardens. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? Mudhammatani. I can't think of this word.
Noor, help her.
Dark green in color.
So Alif Noon mean they both. They both are dark green in color.
Green in color. They're both dark green in color. So which is the favors of your Lord will you deny? In them both are flowing water springs.
Gushing forth.
Gushing forth.
What is difference between gushing forth and flowing?
Gushing is with power.
Yes.
Flowing is steady. Yeah. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? فيهما فاكهة ونخل ورمان. In them both are fruits and date palms and pomegranates. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? فيهن خيرات حسان. In them are beautiful good women.
What is khairat?
Khairat, good things.
A lady which has good manners. Very good.
Good manners. Okay.
And Hisan?
In them both are ladies with good manners and beauty,
Beautiful faces, okay.
beautiful faces. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان حور مقصورات في خيام. With dark irises, pupils, and whites, residing
white.
in bright white, residing in tents, pavilions. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان لم يطمثهن إنس قبلهم ولا جن. They've never been touched by man or jinn before. Untouched by man or jinn. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. So which of the favorites of your Lord will you deny? متكئين على رفرف خضر وعبقري in lisan, reclining upon cushions, green cushions, and beautiful carpets. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. So which of the favors of your Lord will you deny? تبارك اسم ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام. All blessings of the name of your Lord, the possessor of majesty and honor.
Yeah, blessed is the name of your Lord. Okay, did you prepare the hifaz of first 16 ayah?
I haven't got past 9 or 8 ayah really.
Okay,
I'm sort of stuck on that.
okay.
I'll try again today, inshallah.
Inshallah, may Allah make it easy for you.
Ameen, ameen. I didn't do much yesterday really. I went to appointments and slept. I was tired from work.
It's okay.
Is this tafsir?
Yes. Okay. So we have already learned the word by word meaning of Surah Fatiha. We have also memorized it, Alhamdulillah. So now we will see what we have learned in this surah. What is told to us in this surah. Okay. So the first sentence here we see is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Do you know anything about this sentence, any of you?
There's a lot of power in the sentence, a bit of words to start off. Do everything in this name and it makes it for the sake of Allah.
Okay, good. So the first thing about this is the what Khatija has said. Before doing anything, say Bismillah. Okay, so we will make some short notes from Holy Quran like this. So this is the first thing that we have learned in Surah Fatiha, that before doing anything or before starting anything, say Bismillah. Okay,
Yeah.
can you give me some example of the things before which we say Bismillah?
Eat.
Before eating, okay. Some more examples.
Sitting.
Sitting, cooking, before
Going out.
going down, before driving the car, anything that you do, any action that you do, any good thing that you do, any good thing that you do, started with Bismillah. Okay. Any good thing. So So this is the first thing that we have learned here. Then what is the second thing, that practical thing that we are taught in this surah? Do
Just be
you have?
grateful to Allah.
Sorry.
To be grateful to Allah, to
Okay.
praise Him.
And no, do you have anything in your mind?
Just same. We have to be thankful to Allah.
Okay, good. So in surah, one more thing is told to us, and that is how to make dua. We daily make many duas, but here we are told what to say before making dua. The thing is that we praise Allah before making dua. Whatever dua, let's suppose Miss Noor wants another child. So before he asking Allah about child, she will praise Allah, and after praising Allah, then she will make dua for a child, for a son or for a daughter, whatever she wants. So before making any dua, she will first praise Allah, and after praising Allah, she will make her dua. Okay. So let's suppose Khatija wants to go to Hajj. So first, when she will start dua, first she will praise Allah, and after praising Allah, she will make dua. Okay.
Okay.
Now there are many ways to praise Allah. Many of them are in hadith. The best one is mentioned in this ayah, and that starts from here and it completes here. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So you have already memorized it, and you have already learned the meaning of it as well. So just anyone recite it. What will you say before making dua?
You have to praise Allah.
So tell me that phrase. Recite that phrase.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmani Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Okay, good. So in this way we start. You can. There are many other phrases as well that you can use, which are mentioned in ahadith and other phrases in Quran as well. So it is up to you which one you choose. This one is the best one. Okay.
Jazakallahu khairan.
So after that we make our dua. Now there are many dua, like I've told. I've given you two examples. One of asking a child from God, the other of asking for Hajj. Then or whatever. Some people want a house, some people want a car, some people want a job. So before making any dua, we say this. So there are many dua. One one example of dua is this, which is mentioned here. It starts from Hedi, and then it finishes Annam Talihim Ghairil Maghdubi Alayhim Waladdallin. It finishes there. So this is the dua which is told in this one. And there are many other duas which are told in Quran and Hadith. Okay.
Yes.
May Allah guide us all to the straight path.
Ameen.
Amin.
Ameen.
So basically we have learned two things in this surah. What are those two things?
How to make dua.
What is the first thing?
You have to say Bismillah.
We have to say Bismillah before doing anything, and and
Praise Allah.
praise Allah before making a dua. Okay, so you better note these 2 points.
Yes. Inshallah.
Any question?
No.
No.
Inshallah, we'll continue next time.
Inshallah.
Are the best du'as the ones in the Quran, like the Rabbana du'as? Are they?
Yes, but in some scholars there are many dua, so we can say
Yeah.
anyone that we want. Or what would that? There are
My
many.
heart.
For example, okay, there are many dua, no problem. You can say any dua. It's up to us.
Yeah.
Okay, we can also
Okay.
ask worldly dua, and we can also our
Yeah.
dua for the next life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow, inshallah.
Yes, inshallah, tomorrow we'll study.
Bukra tomorrow. Bukra, yeah.
Yes, inshallah, tomorrow study. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Barakatuh.